Good morning, children. Now we have studied the last class, the function of the root. What we have studied? The functions of the root. In this function of the root, we have studied what the main thing, why root is very important. The root is very important to hold the plants, and it supplies the water and mineral salt from the soil to provide to all the parts of the plants. And some of the root is we are eating as in raw, means like carrot, radish. Some plants are we eat as in raw. And we have types of the root: tap roots and fibrous root. Let we move to the next, shoot system. Already we know what is that. Shoot system is, listen carefully students, that shoot system is the parts of the plant, means which grows above the which grows above the ground, we call it as the parts of the plant that is represented as a shoot system. Shoot system means the plant which grow above the ground is called as a shoot system. In this we have different parts. Fruit, we have fruit, next stem, flower, leaves. We have fruit, stem, flower, leaves. How we have a part of the body, in that particular we have a neck, face means head, we have head, forehead, chin, cheeks, everything we have no. Similarly, we have the parts of the plant, that is fruit, stem, leaf and the bud. Okay, let we discuss today about the stem. We will be discussing about the stem. Okay, students. It includes the stem, leaves, flower, fruits and buds. Let we discuss what is the main thing about the stem. Stem is a main part of the shoot. It holds the plant straight. So, the stem will be there now. It holds the plants very straight, means straight. Okay, to make it to stand, the stem will be helping the plant to be standing up straight. Next, what is the next work for the stem? The stem bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So, what we are seeing, that will the stem will be holding, like how will holding the part of the body. For example, a part of the body holds the chest. It holds the two hands, right? Similarly, the stem will be holding leaves, birds, flower and fruits. Okay, branches. This will be held by the stem. It carries water and mineral salt from the root to all the parts of the plant. So, the stem, what happens here, the water from the root, it passes through all the parts of the plant, So, it starts from here to till all the parts of the plant. So, what is this supplies? Water and mineral salt from the root to all the parts of the plant. Okay, you have seen many trees, student. Yes. You observe the stem of that. The big trees have a thick and strong stem. Example, banyan tree. Next, some plants have a thick green colored stem. Example, banana tree. And some plants are weak in stem, very weak. They can't stand straight. So, they require a support to climb up. That is called as a climber. And some plants will have a creep on the ground. It required the ground to support. That is called as an creepers. That is example of money plants and grapevine. That and all will be there. Okay. And watermelons and cucumber. These are the pumpkins. These will be there. Okay, student. I'll show you the picture of that. Okay. See here, this is a stem. Everybody, we have seen like this tree, right? See here, the stems have very strong and thick. Correct. It has a very strong and thick. This is called as a trunk. This we call it as trunk. What do you call it? Trunk. See student, this is represent as a trunk. You have seen many like this trees around us, okay. While going in the road or while moving to anywhere from Bangalore to any villages. So many these type of trees are you seen, okay. These have a very thick and strong stem. This is very thick and strong stem. We call it as an trunk. What is that? Trunk. Okay. Next, we see this. What is this picture? Have you observed this type of the leaves? Have you had something else in this leaves? Yes, this is called as banana leaf. This is a banana leaf. See a stem, student. It is not strong. It has a thick. Okay, it has a thick. And it is a green colored stem. It is a green colored stem. It is see a green colored stem. See here, this color is different. This color is, yes, it is different. Yeah, it has a thick and green color stem. So this is the one of the category of the stem. Next, you see student, this many of them are seen in many houses or yeah maybe grown at home. These required some, these are the weak stem. They required support to grow. They required support to grow. So these are the, they have very weak stem. They required support to, yes, grow. This is called as a weak stem. This is called as a climber and the creeper. Creeper means it will creep on the ground. It requires the it required the ground to creep. Okay. So see a student. It is very strong and thick. It is called as a trunk. It have a thick, but it is very weak. It is required support to grow. This is about your stem. Let we'll see the what is the function of the stem. Okay, student. What is the function of the stem? Let we have a function of the stem. The stem holds the plants upright. It also supports the branches. So, before only I told, the stem required is very important to hold the plant. It's required to hold the plant. So, I'll be drawing a little picture of the plant. Okay, student. It is not like exactly like a plant and little bit drawing it. Okay, fine. So, this stem holds the plants upright. It supports the branches of the plant or tree. So, this will be the branches. So, it will be supporting. The stem bears. What will it bears? What is that? Bears leaves. Yes. Bird, flowers and fruits. So, it bears what? Leaves, birds, flowers.